Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to check and remove network may be monitored warning on our Android smartphone. So let's check it out. Google or Android might change the settings UI in the future. If the options are different when you are watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you are getting this network may be monitored warning here, and if you are not aware of how you got this, then you should definitely look into this. This could happen for a couple of reasons, but most importantly, when you are using a third-party certificate on your phone or any ad blocker or VPN service. We may also get this if we have a work or office phone. In such cases, we have to contact the IT admin for more details to safely remove this without affecting your work account or email. To check this, we have to take our Android smartphone and go to settings. We are using OnePlus smartphone right now, so the steps for other brand smartphones might differ a bit. We can use the search option to search for the related keywords too. So after opening settings, we can go to security and privacy and then go to more security and privacy. Here we have to go to this credential storage. Here we have to go to trusted certificates and then user, and we can see a certificate installed here. So this is something we installed long back and it is a good one for general security. But if you have anything here which you are not aware of, then you can select this and you can uninstall this. We can also go back and go to user credentials and then we can select this to uninstall. If you have multiple ones, then you can select remove all user certificates here. So right now we can see this network may be monitored warning, and if we go to our certificates and if we uninstall them, we can permanently remove this. That's all. Now if we go to this, we won't see that network may be monitored warning. That's all. Along with this, we can also check if we have installed any VPN or ad block applications. We can check them and disable them. We can also search for VPN in the settings and see if we have any VPN profiles. We can delete them or disable them too if you are not aware of creating this. These are the steps to check and remove network may be monitored warning on our Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.